Hey friends, if Firefox is not producing any sound when you're trying to watch a video, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the solution. So I'll tell you the main reason behind it. You will notice that these days the tabs have shifted to the left hand side, and if you notice a mute button here, that means that the tab is muted. So no matter what it shows here that the volume is working and the volume is working here, if the tab is muted, the volume won't work. I'll just show you what happens upon unmuting the tab. So I'll click on this to unmute it.
Any third-party security software is installed on your system
So this is what happens. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl plus M. Let me show you.
button, select settings on
Okay, so this is one way of solving the problem. The next one is that the volume may be active, but the volume mixer may have turned off Firefox. So click on the symbol here, click on the volume mixer, scroll down and make sure that the volume for Firefox is set at maximum. And lastly, update the audio drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click on the first one and select update driver. Right click on the second one and then select update driver. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.